Hello guys, you cannot convert your Notcoin voucher to Note itself, that's Notcoin. So for those that minted the Notcoin voucher and sent it to their wallet like tonkeeper, so this is how you can actually redeem it before the launch and sell it, because it takes 24 hours for it to get to your wallet. So if you have previously minted this voucher and sent to your tonkeeper, and if you have watched my previous video on how to transfer, my last video I did was how to transfer your Notcoin from Telegram to exchanges, either Binance, BYBIT or OKX. So I did to Binance. So you can still see here withdrawing 12,716. Meanwhile, I minted two voucher, two Notcoin voucher. So how do I redeem it? So I need to click on this plus sign you can see here, and over here you can see redeem your voucher, convert voucher to your Notcoin balance. So click on redeem. Mind you, I have two voucher, I minted two voucher, and the cost of you converting this voucher to notes will cost you 0.06 tone. So, and I said I have two vouchers. So if you have more than one voucher, so there is this plus sign here that you can see, one minus, plus, minus, one, and plus. So you can, they said here maximum 4 at a time. So if you have a lot of voucher, you can only do 4 at a time. So I have only two, so which I'm going to click on the plus sign now, two voucher, and it's going to cost me 0.12 tone. So I'm going to click on exchange for notes. So I'm going to let my wallet connect. So okay, slide this the charges here is that's 83 cents. So slide to confirm. So it's quite easy to convert it. So you can see right here, done. Notcoin will be in your balance during the next 24 hours. Notcoin will be on your balance during the next 24 hours. Nice. So once this, in 24 hours, they say this Notcoin is going to appear here in my balance. So I'm going to drop a video link to on how you can transfer the Notcoin on this your balance to exchanges like BYBIT, OKX, and Binance. So but in case you've seen that video already, there's no need for you to go through it again since you already know the whole process. So thanks for watching guys. So see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and share to your friends to pass the information, because this is a very important announcement. Because if they don't get to convert their voucher to notes, they might end up losing it. So do well to pass this information. All right, see you guys.